The respondents filed review application before the district forum in execution case number 996 of 2010 for review of order dated 29/5/2010. The district forum wide its order dated 26/11/2010 dismissed the review application and found the respondents guilty for non-compliance of order dated 17/10/2003 passed in complaint case number 24 of 1998 and ordered for 3 months imprisonment of the respondents along with penalty amount of rupees 3,000 payable by them under provisions of section 27 of the Act para. Being aggrieved by the above said order, the respondents filed appeal numbers 2082 and 2083 of 2010 before the State Commission, which were allowed by its order dated 30/7/2013 by setting aside the order dated 26/11/2010 of the District Forum. The State Commission observed that the District Forum has not adopted the procedure of summary trial at the time of passing the order of conviction and sentence imposed upon the respondents as provided under the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 for non-compliance of order dated 17/10/2003. The State Commission also observed in its order that at no point of time the respondents were afforded an opportunity of being heard against the disobedience of the order dated 17/10/2003 of the District Forum, which is mandatory as per provisions of subclause within bracket 3 of section 27 of the Act, and it has to try them by following the summary procedure by the District Forum empowered as judicial magistrate of the first class for the purpose of Code of Criminal Procedure. Thus, the State Commission has allowed the appeal of the respondents and set aside the conviction and sentence order passed against them para. The appellant, being aggrieved by the order dated 30/7/2013, filed first appeal numbers 645 and 646 of 2013 before the National Commission. The National Commission wide its order dated 8/1/2014 dismissed the appeals, holding that there is no provision in the Act regarding the filing of second appeal under section 27 or 27A of the Act. Even under section 21 of the Act, a petition filed against the order passed under section 27A of the Act could be entertained by it, as the appellant has no right and the National Commission has no jurisdiction to entertain such appeal. Hence, these appeals are filed by the appellant as she is aggrieved by the order of both the State Commission and the National Commission para. Mr. Digendra Sharma, the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant, contended that the National Commission should not have dismissed the appeals of the appellant, as the same would render the appellant remediless for executing decree passed against the respondents who have till date not complied with the order dated 17/10/2003 passed by the District Forum, and even the same has not been challenged by the Navchetna Sahakari Awas Samiti Limited, and therefore the same has attained finality. It was further contended by him that by dismissing the second appeal of the appellant, the order dated 17/10/2003 would become ineffective, and she has not got the fruits of the order. Full stop.